Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Do you want to know how to link your YouTube channel to Google Ads account? Well, in this video I will show you the process step by step. First, open Google Chrome and go to studio.youtube.com. Make sure you are logged into the correct YouTube channel. Once you are in YouTube Studio, look at the menu on the left and click on Settings at the bottom. In the pop-up window, click on Channel, then go to the Advanced Settings tab. Scroll down and you will find the section called Link Account under Google Ads Account Linking. Now click the Link Account button, enter the Google Ads customer ID, that's the 10-digit number from your Google Ads account. You can also give the link a name and choose whether to allow the ads account to manage video campaigns for your channel. After filling that out, click Done and then Save. And that's it. Your YouTube channel is now linked to your Google Ads account, and this will allow you to run video ads, track performance, and much more. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.